So once you have it out and I tilted a little bit to the light, you can actually see what my irritation is that the screen itself works perfectly, but it's just that the coating got scratched away by the previous owner or some cleaning company that went over it with a rag and cleaning solution. And this is a very soft material that scratches. So when the sun's out, I will actually see the bottom part, as you can see right there, and that kind of irritates me, so we're going to fix that. So once you take the back cover off, there are 4 tabs, 2 here and 2 in the back, and also a little plug right there that runs back to the screen, as you can see. So I'm going to unpop it, take the plug off, and then we have access to the front side of the screen. So we now have full access to the screen. As you can see, it's a little dusty, but the scratches you can actually see right now way better there. So what I bought is, I bought that in the US. It's from the company called Novulus, and it is a screen cleaning 3-step system, and it comes with the cloths and brochure and everything you basically need. You got number 3, that's for the heavy. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to start with the number 2 and then finish off with number 1. And once I'm done, I bought this online. It's from the company called Lexard. It's a ultra thin, crystal clear, anti-glare screen protection, cut to size, as you may can see, because this is the actual screen cutout that I had made. And as you see, it fits perfectly on the screen. So we'll see how it turns out. But for now, start cleaning. So after buffing in the corner a little bit, I'll tilt it to the light so you can actually see it. You actually see what I'm doing. So I'm removing the top coat of the screen, as it already had all these scratches. So I'm just doing it very gentle, very easy, but it comes off really well. And it doesn't actually scratch the surface of the LCD itself. So, oh, it's not focusing. Sorry for that. But it's not scratching, so that's pretty good. So we'll continue going on. So after about 15 minutes of polishing, I started out with number 2. It didn't really do the trick, so I removed over to number 3. So I'm doing a pass with number 3. Once that's done, I'm going to do it again with number 2. As you can see, it's getting off quite well. Let me, so as you can see, that side is almost off. There are a couple of spots right there, but other than that, it's going very well. I just took a step outside to show you guys what the actual difference is in anti-glare. As you can see, the difference between me in my t-shirt with or without the glare, it's quite obvious. So, but as you can see, it's going along quite well. The edges are clean, so just going to finish with the last part. So the coating is completely off. Number 3 seems to work just fine. No actual scratches in my screen besides one right there, but that's a little too deep, and I hope the new screen protector is going to cover that up. But anyway, I have a very soft polishing pad right here, and I'm going to pass another time with the number 2 just to make sure and be sure that it's completely clean. And after that, I'm going to go over it with the plastic cleaner shining in. Just while it's out anyway, why not just do it all the way? Normally I would hold it, but just to show you guys what I'm doing, just doing a couple of passes like this. So once I put you guys down, I'll do a couple of more passes and show you guys the results before we put the screen protector on. So it's completely done, and I'm really happy with the result. The little scratch that I had there, it's barely. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's almost gone, so it's perfect. I'm just gonna go over it with my 50% IPA wipe, just to be sure that the screen is completely fat-free, or grease-free in this case, sorry. and then I'll take it outside to show you guys in the light, and then we'll apply the Lexard film. It's not completely done and clean, as you can see in the light. There's a lot of reflectiveness now, of course, because the coating is off, but other than that, I am really happy how it turned out. So now we're going to install this screen protector and see how that works. All right then, so I got everything prepared. I put some gloves on, not to put fingerprints on it. They actually supply you with little rubber fingers that you can slide on, but hey, I have them anyway, so I'll just use my own. And then basically that is the sheet that you're getting, custom cut to size, and then make sure it's dust free, peel it off, and stick it on. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm going to do it and then get back to you guys. Once you got everything aligned, you basically just let it go, and you'll see all kinds of air bubbles here. Don't worry, we're going to rub those out, and it should all be fine. Just check real quickly if you can see any dust particles underneath. If so, you can still lift it up. You can usually recognize a little dust by a very small pit inside. So if you let's see where it is. So there's a little dust particle right there. Well, actually it rubs right out, so no, that's fine. So we're gonna go ahead and take a piece of cloth and a credit card wrapped in the cloth and just wipe it all the way down that way, and see if we can get all the air bubbles out. Is this a dust particle? Let's see. Yep, there's a dust particle right there. So we're gonna lift the sheet a little bit, pry it underneath, and then that should be all good to go. So after I don't know, 10-15 minutes of working the bubbles out, as you can see, it's almost perfect. There's just one, but that's damaged the plastic right there on top that I can't get out. So it doesn't matter. I'll probably just heat it up a little bit and see if I can remove it. And there is a little dent in the plastic here. That's my own mistake, because I put it in my laptop bag when I did the overseas trip, and apparently my laptop hit it. But other than that, it's completely perfect, and you're on top of it right now with your face. But if you actually put the cover on, you look at it from this angle, you don't see it at all. So I'll pop it outside so you guys have a look at it, how it looks like in the full light. But other than that, I'm happy. So in broad daylight, and then back to my white t-shirt, as you see, there's little to no reflection anymore, so the anti-glare screen did its job. As you can see, all the air bubbles, oh, there we got a speck of dust right there on top of the screen. Let me just wipe it off. There we go. But as you can see, it's perfect, besides the little point that I just pointed out up there. But you won't see it once the screen is on, so I'll pop it in the car and see how it looks. All right, so it's just temporarily in. Let's see how it looks like. I'm not complaining here. Looks perfect to me from every angle. The viewing angle is still the same. It's nice and reflective, and I mean, yeah, I'm not complaining. Nice and clear. So we can
als je ogen nog zouden werken.
Mijn manier was om tegen mij te zeggen dat is het.
Works perfect for me. I'm happy. I hope this helps, and encourage you guys to do the same to your car, because it's absolutely great, and it just saves a lot of irritation when you see your screen scratched all the way over there. So perfect.